Hello, everybody. And in today's class, we're going to learn about something different, yet informative and exciting. Are you ready? Let's go. Come on in. Now, like I said, in today's class, we're going to learn about something different yet informative. But just in case you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, now, like I said, we're going to learn about something interesting and informative today. Now, we're going to learn about direct object. Are you familiar with this one? Well, when we say direct object, it is actually direct objects receive the action of the verb. Now, take note, verb, it is an action word. Now, direct object, it answers the question what or who. Again, it answers the questions what or who after the action verb in a sentence. Action after the action verb. Now, example. The doctor cured the disease. Look at this sentence here. Now, and let's chunk this sentence together. Now, the doctor cured the disease. Doctor here is the subject. And what is the verb here? Cured. And cured what? The disease. Now, disease here is the direct object because it answers the question what. Take note. So the doctor cured the disease. Doctor here is the subject. Cured here is the verb. And the disease here is the direct object. Now, take note here. Um, direct object here located after the action verb. Now, action verb here is cured, and after the action verb cured, disease or the disease. So disease here is the direct object. Now, what is the formula? Before we move further, let's identify first the formula of direct object. Like mathematics, English as well has a formula. Okay, what is the formula in creating or constructing direct object in a sentence? So the formula is we have here the subject or the doer of the action verb or the verb, and what or who. And what or who here is the direct object. Okay, take note of that. Now let's identify or let's have more examples. So we have here the doctor cured the disease. Same example. Now subject here is the doctor, and then action verb here is cured. And cured what or who? Cured what? The disease. So the disease here is the direct object. Some more examples for direct objects. So we have here example, she bought a car. Now, what is the subject here? She. And what is the verb here? Bought. Bought what? A car. So a car here or car here is the direct object. She bought what? A car. So again, always remember that direct object answers the question what or who. Some more example. So, example, the girl slugged the ball. Now first, identify first the subject. The subject here is the girl. And what is the verb? Slugged. Slugged what? The ball. Now always remember that direct object is located after the action verb. So the action verb here is slugged, and slugged what? The ball. So the ball here is the direct object. Okay, very good. Now, this time, I would like you to have an exercise to test if you understand my lesson. Okay, directions. Identify the direct object in each sentence below. So again, we're going to identify the direct object. Remember the formula of direct object, subject, action verb, and what or who, also known as the direct object. Okay, so first and the second sentence. First sentence, last night, Tim told us a ghost story. So look at this sentence. Identify the subject and the verb and identify the direct object. Direct object, it answers the question, what or who. Now, last night, Tim told us the ghost story. So what is the subject here? Tim. And then what is the verb? What is the action verb here? Told. Told who or told what? So what is the action verb here? Or what is the direct object? Told what? Amazing. So can you guess the direct object? Told what? Ghost story. Very good. Or a ghost story. So ghost story here is the direct object. Tim told us what? A ghost story. So a ghost story here is the direct object. What about sentence number 2? The kid bought the house with his allowance. So the kid bought the house with his allowance. So the subject here is the kid. What is the verb? Bought. And bought what? The house. Very good. And the direct object here is the house. Great job. Okay, next one. Number 3. In fact, he introduced the ghost to his friends. Again, in fact, he introduced the ghost to his friends. In fact, he introduced, what is the subject here? In fact, it's not an introduce, this is like a phrase. So he here is the subject, and the verb here is introduced. Introduced what? Very good. So what is it? What do you think is the direct object here? Very good. The ghost. Okay, he introduced what? The ghost. What about number 4? The story did not remind us of our homes. So what do you think is the direct object here? Identify first the subject. The subject here is the story. And then what is the action verb here? Now remember, did is not an action verb. Okay, so the action verb here is remind. Okay, remind who? Remind what? Remind, what do you think is a direct object? Is it our homes or us? Always remember, this direct object is located after the action verb. Again, direct object is located after the action verb. So can you guess now? What do you think is the action, or what do you think is the direct object in this sentence? Great job. So us. So remind who? Us. Very good. Let's see if you could do number 5. We feared the haunted house occupied by ghosts. Again, we feared the haunted house occupied by ghosts. What is the subject here? We. Again, the verb feared. And now, what do you think is the direct object? Can you guess? What is the direct object again? It answers the question, what or who. Now, the direct object here is, very good, the haunted house. Again, always remember that direct object is always located after the action verb, feared. Okay, very good. And I hope that you've learned something this session. And if if you find this video informative, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great day.